Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Anti-Dust Mite's Handheld Vacuum Cleaner from Silvercrest. Effective against dust mites, germs and bacteria. Cleans dust and dirt off beds, mattresses and upholstery. Thorough cleaning, chemical free. From HEPA 13 filter, 99.95% retention, super clean exhaust air. With a 4 meters cable, 300 watts, 3 years warranty. Scan the QR code for product details and tips for use. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Four meters cable, very convenient, I like that. The HEPA dust filter. To install the HEPA filter, pull this cover. We have another one, two filters, one replacement. There it is, very easy to remove. Clean it. You can clean it under the water, no worries. The container, 125 ml, it is the capacity. I like it. Silicone rubber around, seal it very well, all the dust out the container. And it locks. The on-off switch. We have handle here. Another switch here, I will show you how it works. The wheels, adjustable, hard wheels, soft area here. The UVC lamp with a cover. If you want to replace the UVC lamp, remove one screw here and replace it. We have the vibration head here. Let's remove the lamp to show you how it looks. There's the lamp. Attach it at these two cables. Pull, remove. Nice, and replace it. Very easy to install again. Perfect. Very robust. We have ventilation here, left and right. So you need to place it at the surface you need to clean and then press this button. It is for the UVC lamp. Nice. Let's move on and test it. See how it cleans my mattress, upholstery, my couch. If you are looking for an effective way to combat dust mites, this mite cleaner offers a powerful and affordable solution. What's one thing you do to reduce allergens in your home? Let me know in the comments below. And that wraps up our look at the Silvercrest Mite vacuum cleaner. If you're serious about creating a healthier home environment, especially for allergy sufferers, this tool is a true game changer. Its powerful suction actively dislodges deeply embedded dust mites and allergens from mattresses and upholstery. And with the built-in UVC sterilization lamp, you're not just vacuuming, you're actively neutralizing germs and bacteria, providing a chemical-free, deep clean that gives you genuine peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more practical home health and cleaning tool reviews, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and sleep easier.